Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Technician Division 2 only way. Start by confirming your eligibility, then register for the official qualifying exam and schedule practical training. Prioritize hands-on labs and review sample questions daily to build familiarity. Allocate focused study blocks of 60 to 90 minutes and track progress with a checklist. Join a study group for accountability and ask instructors for targeted feedback on weak areas. Create a study plan that balances theory and practice, focusing on high-yield topics first and scheduling weekly reviews. Use official sample questions under timed conditions to improve accuracy and pacing. Spend extra sessions on hands-on skills until you can complete procedures smoothly. Track weak areas and revisit them each week, adjusting study time as needed. Stay consistent, rest well before exam day, and treat practice like the real assessment. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful guides and updates. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes studying on the go effortless and keeps your manuals organized in one place. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like the idea. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. On exam day, arrive early, bring valid ID, and stay calm with steady breathing to keep focus. For the written portion, answer straightforward questions first, flag challenging items, and review flagged answers if time permits. During practicals, narrate each step and safety check so examiners see your reasoning and control. Keep tools organized and demonstrate proper technique rather than rushing. Afterward, reflect on improvements for next certification levels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.